DJI, the undisputed king of consumer drones, is once again making headlines with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, a device that seems poised to redefine what we expect from a compact drone in 2025. With a flurry of leaks, insider tips, and spec reveals flooding the internet, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is quickly shaping up to be a massive leap forward from its predecessor, the highly successful DJI Mini 4 Pro. Whether you're a hobbyist, aerial photographer, filmmaker, or tech enthusiast, this comprehensive guide is your go-to source for everything we know about DJI's newest drone. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. To appreciate what the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises, we must first look at how far the Mini series has come. DJI Mini 2019 lightweight, under 250G, beginner-friendly. Mini 2 2020 upgraded camera and OcuSync 2.0 transmission. Mini 3 Pro 2022 massive jump in camera quality, obstacle sensors. Mini 4 Pro 2023 all-direction obstacle avoidance, active track 360 degrees, OcuSync 4.0. Now in 2025, the Mini 5 Pro is being teased as the most feature-rich and intelligent sub-250G drone ever made. Multiple sources, including well-known DJI leakers and manufacturing insiders, have shared the almost finalized specs of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Here's what you can expect. Category leaked specification. Weight 249G, still sub-250G. Flight time 45 minutes, with Intelligent Plus battery. Camera sensor 1-inch CMOS, f/1.7 aperture. Video resolution 6K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second. Photo capabilities 48MP RAW and JPEG, HDR imaging. Gimbal 3-axis mechanical plus AI stabilization. Transmission system OcuSync 5.0, 20 km range, ultra-low latency. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees omnidirectional with dual vision sensors. Tracking technology ActiveTrack 362.0 with AI object recognition. Controller RC3 with 1080p OLED and built-in antennas. Wind resistance up to 38 km per hour, level 7. Storage 32 GB internal plus microSD up to 2 TB. Arguably the most exciting leak is the introduction of a 1-inch CMOS sensor in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This marks a dramatic upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3 sensor and puts the Mini 5 Pro in the same imaging league as drones like the Air 3 and even parts of the Mavic lineup. What this means for creators. Dynamic range. More detail in highlights and shadows. Low light performance. Better night footage with minimal noise. Depth of field. More cinematic bokeh effects. Color accuracy. 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG profiles leaked. New shooting modes include vertical true portrait mode, ideal for Reels/TikTok. 6K 30 frames per second plus slow motion 4K 120 frames per second. Hyperlapse in full resolution. HDR panorama with AI sky correction. Smart Photo 5.0 auto-selects best exposure settings. With ActiveTrack 362.0, the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears